So today I'm in Gujarat, and one of my teachers, ShankarJi, I was just having a conversation with him, and he gave me a real life example. So I'm gonna turn the camera towards something in nature, and then we'll listen to what ShankarJi has to say about it.
You see how the leaves of this tree is moving. It just follow the directions of the wind. So when we follow the direction of the Prakriti, then the life is become very easy. Always follow the laws of the Prakriti, that is nature, and follow with the nature, and you will enjoy the life.
I've worked in sales, I've been in the stock markets. So, last 20 years of my life, I have been extremely ambitious, career driven. Right? I've always felt that every single thing that I do requires hard work, and nothing wrong with it. Right? Hard work is important, but what happens, that hard work goes into the mind and we start believing that you are the doer behind everything. So there's a message for all of us in the material world. All right, we are running after so many things, but we've got to strike a balance, because goal orientation is good at one point, but we also have to respect nature. Nature is controlling all of us. Nature is nurturing all of us. So we've got to be conscious. We've got to be aware. We've got to keep our eyes, all the senses open, enjoy nature, let it flow, go with the flow, align yourself with nature. And that's what I learned talking to ShankarJi today. Thank you very much.